Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use blocks in track and field. Starting blocks are essential for sprinters, offering a firm foundation to launch forward with maximum power. Correct setup is key to an explosive start, giving you a significant advantage. We'll cover how to position the blocks and adjust them to fit your unique body mechanics and preferred starting stance, ensuring you get the most out of every race. Now, let's talk about foot placement and block settings. Your dominant foot should be in the front pedal, approximately 2 shoe lengths from the starting line. The non-dominant foot goes in the rear pedal, about 3 shoe lengths back. Experiment with pedal angles, usually between 45 and 60 degrees, to find what feels most powerful and comfortable for your push-off. This personalized adjustment maximizes your initial drive. Moving into the set position, this is where you prepare for the explosive launch. When the command "set" is given, raise your hips so they are slightly higher than your shoulders. Maintain a flat back and keep your head aligned with your spine, looking down the track. Your shoulders should be positioned directly over or just slightly in front of the starting line, creating tension for a powerful forward lean. Finally, on the "go" command, explode out of the blocks. Drive off both pedals simultaneously, pushing hard with your legs. Maintain a low body angle for the initial 10 to 15 meters, focusing on powerful, short strides. Pump your arms vigorously and drive your knees forward to generate maximum acceleration. This aggressive drive phase is crucial for building early speed and gaining a competitive edge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.